July 28th, Stock Playbook. Just a sample video for you guys. If you're looking for a bunch more trades we got lined up, earnings plays, stocks under 10, sign up for a free trial to our product. I think you'll like what we got. Biggest thing right now is getting the market right, and the market looks like it wants to go lower. We're going to have some crazy volatility, I think, in the next week or so. Dow Jones is down 62 points today, 0.5%. NASDAQ Composite was up 1 point, S&P 4. But, Boehner, we're voting on his plan any minute. He comes out and, they pass it, and it looks like the market's going to rally. And then the Senate goes ahead and, knocks it down tomorrow. Then we sell off, or it goes through and the president vetoes it. You're going to go up and down based on what happens out of Washington. When it's all said and done, we'll raise the debt ceiling one way or another. But then you got to worry about default, not default, but if our credit rating gets cut, which is going to increase the cost of doing business, and interest rates are going to go higher. So, and then when that's done, we'll start focusing on Europe again. Don't look now, but the only reason why we're not hearing about Europe every day, Italy, Greece, Spain, is because we're concerned with what's going on here in our own backyard. But once that's done, we'll be looking at Europe again and the Euro crisis. That issue isn't going away. Bottom line is everybody's got, issues. So you got to be aware of what's going on. I still think the best way to play this market is to the short side. Green Mountain Coffee Roasters had a huge gap up today. If you used its high of the day, waited, you already got a few points to the downside. Use today's high now as your stop loss. SodaStream, SODA, a name we've liked for some time, pulled back almost a 50-day. We mentioned in our main video yesterday. Nice solid move today, getting upgraded. GNC that we've talked about, and here moving to new highs on, a good revenue and earnings number. But it, too, won't be immune from the overall market. Look at the 3 days prior to. So if you're fortunate enough that you got in when we were looking at this thing at 19, and change, take some profits. You got a nice 25% move. Take some off the table and wait for it to pull back again. You can always buy it back again. Yandex, the Russian YouTube, they came out with revenues and earnings. Nobody knew what to make of it. But if you were ready for it, it's sold off, giving you an opportunity to buy it at 33 and change 34, and then it rallies to 37. If you caught that, like some of our subscribers have, you take that off the table, you move to the sidelines. Tomorrow we got a few earnings that are going to be a lot of sell-offs coming tomorrow. Ancestry.com is a name we've liked, and we were playing into earnings, which isn't going to work. Let's see how that, on the sell-off, but I think that's one we can look at for a trade higher. That's it for the Stock Playbook for tonight. Have a good night. I'll talk with you tomorrow.